everyone, it's Caitlin with Glitter Chimp coming to you today from my craft room to do a special request tutorial on how to assemble the glasses holder pets or animals, whatever you want to call them. So today's video, we're going to show you guys how to assemble and decorate the cute little corgi glasses holder. So that's what this one is. So what we're going to actually do now is go ahead and flip the camera down so that you guys can watch how to assemble it and to decorate it. Hello again, everybody. It's Caitlin with Glitter Chimp, and today we're going to assemble the corgi glasses holders. I've already put the videos online, of course, for how to assemble and decorate the pig, and of course did the kitty cat as well. So today we're going to do the corgi. So I've already peeled all the little paper, protective paper off of these, so they're just the blank. Let me double check. I've done it before where I've not remembered to take all the paper off. So I have all of the pieces that you should get: 2 sets of legs, of course, the cute little dog face, 3 spacers, and the body. On the body piece, it will actually say front, and this is where basically the neck of the animal is, and that is where you will start with your assembling. So go ahead and get your front piece and your Gorilla Glue or super glue. You can use wood glue, any kind of glue that will make it stay. And I put glue right here on this front line here. And the first piece you're going to put on are the legs. You're gonna make sure that gets a nice good stick there. And then once you get the legs on, you will then be doing the face. So when I do the face, I like to put glue right around here. So then you just take this piece, slap it right on there, give it a good push so that it's nice and secure. And because I'm doing all this one side, I don't really worry about how much dry time I put in between those. So then I'm gonna put just a little bit of glue on each side of the peg here that's sticking out. Drop my first nose piece, give it a little push. Next little piece. Get that there. And then the third piece. There we go, perfect. I actually just realized, you guys, I did this upside down. They're supposed to look like upside down hearts. Luckily, the glue hadn't dried. Okay, so now I have the bridge of the nose. Goodness gracious, y'all. Even I can goof these up, and I've made them before. Okay, so sorry. So it goes like an upside down heart, just like how the kitty cat goes, and that's so that the glasses can sit here on the bridge of the animal's nose. My bad, y'all. So even I make mistakes. So next, we're going to go ahead and glue on this part of the nose. And so on this, you're gonna kind of, trying to think of the best way to tell you guys. So so with like the pig and the kitty cat, you line it up with the bottom piece. But on the dog, because the nose is so high, you're going to actually line this up with like the chin here so that it can sit and have the right, what's the right word? Appearance of a dog's face. So basically, you're gonna wanna line this edge here up with this chin. So we're gonna go ahead and put the glue on here, get that little piece in the middle, and then we're gonna take our little nose here and set it. And then, I'm sorry, I'm gonna turn this my way a little bit so I can kind of line this up. And then, so it's gonna have this face. So cute. Okay, I wanna make sure I didn't put his nose crooked. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just wanna make sure that you still have this lip here where the glasses can't fall off the front of the puppy dog. So I'm just gonna hold this for a second so it can get some good pressure to stick and dry. That face is adorable. Okay, so that's good now. And so now we just have to put on the back side, which is the little short nubby legs. Look at cute little tail. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try to see because I can't remember. So it goes about, okay. All right, we got this. So I'm gonna take my glue and put it in here on this little slit. Sorry, y'all, can't talk today. And now take my legs, get it lined up so that it, there we go, gets on in there and gets nice and get some pressure on it so that it dries. This one is so fast. These are so cute and so fast to assemble. That's why I like these things. I love projects that you can get done very quickly. Because the faster you can make them, the more you can make. And for those of you selling these at like craft shows and stuff, then the more you can sell at shows. Or to your friends or for holidays and stuff. All right. And that's it. That is the corgi. All done and ready to decorate. And this one's great because it has the little lines here so you know where to paint. Kind of like a paint by numbers, if you will. So what I'm going to do is let this completely dry and then I'll actually go in and paint this one. And it will be ready to go to its new home. Thank you guys so much for watching. These things are so much fun to make. I love making them, which is probably why I've made so many of them. But they make such great gifts and they're just fun to have. So I'm really glad you guys tuned in for this video. I love when they're short videos because then that just shows you guys how quick and easy these projects can be. But that's it for the cute little corgi. I cannot wait to give this to my friend Keely, which y'all know Keely. But I'm gonna give this to her daughter because she loves dogs and she needs one of these in her room because they're so stinking cute. We got a cute little face. All right, so anyways, you guys don't forget to give this video a like with a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss any of our tutorials as we do them now twice a week. So you don't want to miss any of those videos. Also, if you ever have any questions or anything about Glitter Chimp or its products, please join our Facebook group because we have a huge community in there. Everyone is super helpful and you get to see all of the new products we release right then and there as soon as we post them. So you guys have a great rest of your week and we will see you guys again very soon.